Hey everybody, Brett with Brett's Reviews, and today I just got something in the mail, really neat. It pertains to my S60 2.5T all-wheel drive. So in '04 to '07, they made an interior for the S60R called Atacama Orange, and it's somewhere I heard they only made 850 of these cars with this interior, but maybe that was on Doug DeMuro's video of the S60R with that color, with the like seafoam blue with the Atacama. Maybe there was only 850 of those. But they made it for the V70, and then they made it for the S60, and they only made it for 3 years. So finding this interior is, I'm not going to say impossible, but it's definitely not easy. And I've only been searching for a couple weeks, but I do have something that just came in. You guys got to check this out. You're going to see it as I open it. So this is an opening video, unboxing video, and let's see what we got here. So it is the Christmas season, so we got the cactus all going there. Anyways, so right here, I was able to find these, and I'm not really sure, because I wasn't keen on the seller's rating, so we'll see how nice they are. I do like how they packed it though. So we have a set of original Atacama Orange S60 R floor mats here. And they are, I mean, that is nice. Now that's the passenger side. If the driver's side is as nice, which it is, I don't think these have ever been in a car, guys. Look how nice they are. They might have to be, we might have to extract them a little bit. Looks like they have a couple little salt stains, but there's no wear marks. Oh my gosh. And then we have the back ones. They are just as nice. I am stoked, guys. I mean, like I said, you cannot find this interior anywhere, and this is just insane how nice these are. Let me know what you think of these floor mats in the comments, guys, and if you like the video, we got more S60 stuff on the channel, so like, subscribe, and share. And once again, Atacama Orange floor mats, like new. I don't think they've ever been in a car. They don't stink. They're not dirty. I think that's a score, guys. Let me know what you think, and until the next video, like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.